a commonality between all your three careers is that we saw you, at least I remember watching all of you जब वो multiplex era start हुआ था, and then to just discover the joys of actors we hadn't seen on the big screen before. And there was a time that had a dip before streaming came in, and I was talking to KK Menon, who said that जो हम में से बहुत सारे लोग थे जिन्होंने काम छोड़ दिया था उस टाइम, बिकॉज वो डिप आया था जब जो एक बार राइज हुआ फिर छोड़ दिया, बट हमने जो रुक गए वो उनको स्ट्रीमिंग में बहुत अच्छा चांस मिला. सो वुड यू अग्री दैट इट वाज वेरी टफ ड्यूरिंग दैट फेज, एंड हाउ डिड यू काइंड ऑफ हेल्ड ऑन टू इट?
What phase was this though?
It was
Dip after the
2010 to
10 से लेके
16.
जब तक वो आया ना
हाँ.
शुरू हुआ. 10 to 16, yeah. नहीं, I think, yeah, you're probably right. There was but I don't know, at that point I ended up doing Desi Boys. I did 2 item songs and I was doing all of those things. So,
She never had a dip.
No, it
Yeah.
wasn't
No
that,
dip.
no, I don't mean that. ऐसे मतलब कुछ काम like अलग मिल गया, so वो अलग काम कर लिया. But you're right, उस समय उस तरह का सिनेमा नहीं बन रहा था. That's probably true. There was a change, and now suddenly from 2016 and up to like after post-COVID, तो like it's just, it's booming. Definitely huge change. Such new talent, technicians, everything. It's crazy. अब तो बहुत ही अच्छा समय है. Yes, in that sense, for new talent.
Did you also face that dip कभी स्ट्रीमिंग से पहले?
But Nawaz was on a high at that time.
गैंग से
Actually,
पहले
it's-
तो था
गैंग से पहले क्या?
एक
But गैंग से पहले तो वो नहीं थे ना.
मैं नहीं था
तो
गैंग से.
शुरुआत गैंग से हुई ना. So
Correct.
he was on a
मतलब
high.
थे
at that
पर
Yeah.
Yeah. But the truth is that actors like Pankaj Tripathi,
Yeah.
Jaideep Alavart, Pratik Gandhi, Monica Panwar, you're discovering new actors with a big author-based role, which chance they didn't have earlier. So that's great.
That's
but
true.
it's again very complex, because you say that it's booming, but there are so many films which are struggling to have theatrical release, especially independent films. उनको बोलता है या तो आप streaming पे चले जाओ. अब तो streaming पे भी मुश्किल है बहुत space मिलना. Like you've crowdfunded your films throughout your career, but now people are not even willing to do the basic, which is go to a theater and pay.
That's
Crowdfund तो दूर की बात है.
That's true.
So in that, because you all support those movies, so what is the hope? What is the solution, if you have any?
There's no solution. The hope is that things will change. You always live in hope. And you hope that things will get better. And they will, eventually. But can I just add something? You're right, absolutely right about the bleak scenario independent cinema is living through now. But in spite of that, people who want to make films are still making films. There is somebody like Payal Kapadia, Reema Das, Pratik Vats, who made E-Bollywood. So there are filmmakers who will find a way to, make their film. घर बेच देंगे, अपन जो भी करेंगे, डाका डालेंगे, लूटेंगे, लेकिन फिल्म अपना बना लेंगे. So that will not stop, which is the part of hope. बाकी times will change, I think.
But as
Hopefully.
a filmmaker yourself, is there something that's stopping you?
It's the same old thing. You never have money.
Yeah.
And a film I've made 2 years back, which is ready, still not able to release it. And the next film always takes 3 years to get the funding for. But one can be bitter about it, or one can say, okay, this is how it is. This is the market space that we live in. And the thing is to keep doing what you believe in.